Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are making quick and delicious Amritsari Paneer Bhurji. So without any further ado, let's begin. The base ingredients are 2 medium-sized onions finely chopped, some coriander for garnish, 1 tablespoon of each minced garlic and ginger, thinly sliced 2 green chilli and a paste of medium-sized tomato. 200 grams of grated paneer. In a kadai, add 2 tablespoons of ghee and 1 tablespoon of butter. As the butter begins to melt, add a teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera. Let this splutter. Add the minced ginger and garlic and saute it for a minute till the raw smell goes off. Now add the green chilies. Saute for half a minute and then we'll add the onions. Saute the onions very well till it turns nice and brown. It will take around 5 minutes on low to medium flame. Thereafter, we'll make a besan paste. So let's see how to make the paste. Take a mixing bowl, add 2 tablespoons of gram flour or besan, add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of red chilli powder. You may increase the spice as per your preference. 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of Garam Masala powder. We'll add more Garam Masala towards the end. Add the tomato paste and give it a nice mix and make sure no lumps are formed. You may add little water to smoothen the consistency. Coming back to the onions, add a teaspoon of salt and pour the besan mix. Add little water in the mixing bowl to wash off the remaining masalas, around half cup. Now cook this on low flame for around 5 to 7 minutes till the raw smell of the besan goes off. Besan has cooked very well. Now we will add 1 tablespoon of Kasuri Methi and cook it for another minute. Now add 2 teaspoons of Malai. This is homemade Malai. You may also add fresh cream as you wish. This adds a nice richness and creaminess to the dish. At this stage, add the paneer and give it a nice mix. Now add 1 cup of hot water. Mix this very well. Now close the lid and cook this for 15 minutes on low flame till the water evaporates and the paneer is well done. As you can see, the oil has started to ooze out and the paneer is well cooked. At this stage, we will add few more masalas. Add more half teaspoon of Garam Masala, half teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder. This is to add a nice color, and adjust the salt at this time. Mix this very well and cook for another minute. Finally, garnish with some coriander leaves and close the lid and let this rest for a couple of minutes. That's it. Our delicious Amritsari Paneer Bhurji is ready to be served. Let's move towards the plating. Paneer Bhurji can be best enjoyed with naan, kulcha, roti, anything of your choice. Definitely try this delicious recipe. Hope you have liked the video. Request you to please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so you get notified on my further videos. Thank you for tuning in. See you soon.